Need to make money to pay off student loans and build a business that will allow you to earn money ongoing? If so, our Build Your Own Business Blueprint will walk you through all of the steps that you need in order to achieve success with your very own company. Do you think that making $100 an hour is a dream? I've got great news for you. Your dream is coming true right now, and you're taking the very first step by watching this video right here, right now, on building your own successful asphalt maintenance company. I've helped thousands of people start their own asphalt maintenance company. And one of the common questions that comes in, how long does it take to start earning money? Asphalt seal coating businesses can be started for around the $5,000 mark, and you can repay that back to yourself in no time. Literally within 2 weeks, you'll be filling your pockets with money. The first door you knock on will be the first time that you're making $100 in profit in less than half an hour. Asphalt maintenance is actually really easy to do, and it's within arm's reach of you right now to be able to profit tremendously from offering those services that are in significant demand. I mean, asphalt's everywhere, right? You have the opportunity to take advantage of the pure profits attached to it. Create a financially freeing future for yourself. Come with us, join us on this journey, and let us help you achieve success.